Replacement of a damaged connector bar. So for example, right here, a damaged connector bar. First step, simply remove the connector bar. Second step, reinstall the new connector bar. Be certain that corner to corner right here. Be certain also that the connector bar is also in close contact with the main shot pad. That's it. Replacement bar now on the short side. Remove the connector bar. Simply reinstall and be certain again, corner to corner in contact. That's it.